Hello everybody, Nathaniel from RCInsight here, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro. I just got this in the mail from Apple exactly as is in front of me here, so let's not waste any time and just jump straight into unboxing this. Alright, and this is the box that it came in the mail. It's got a nice little rip on the tape there, so that opens up super easily. Folds down like so, and then inside there, nicely and securely packaged, is the iPhone 14. Okay, and here is the phone itself. It's a much smaller phone case than the box it came in, but it should be equally easy to open here. We just tear at the top and tear at the bottom. Nice and obvious, and then it should slide off like so, and here you have the gold iPhone 14. Now, it's not quite as gold as I was expecting. It's a little more subtle, if I'm being honest. We can just rip the screen protector off as well. Look at that. And then what else comes in the box? We do get a charging cable still. It's a USB-C to Lightning, just no wall adapter. But yeah, charging cable is still included in the box, which I appreciate because I have finally succumbed and switched from Android to Apple. And so I do need a USB-C to Lightning cable. I don't have any. My MacBook, it is USB-C to USB-C. So yeah, this is nice to have. Then what else do we have in the box? We have our little instruction packet, I think. And yeah, well, just information, instruction booklets. And other than that, there's nothing else in the box. So Apple has really cut down on what you get in the box. It's nice and compact, super easy to open. You get the phone, a charging cable, and your little packet of instructions, warnings, whatever else is in there. The phone was packed really nicely in the box that it came in when it was shipped. This bigger box here, it was packed nicely in it, but the box felt big. It felt like there was a lot of dead space or wasted space. Now it's cardboard, so it's recyclable. We don't have to worry about there being plastic waste there. So I guess it's not the end of the world, but it did really stand out to me just how much space was available when I opened up the big box, because this little smaller box that the phone came in is much smaller. It was packed secure and tight, and it was really easy to open. I was just very surprised at how much extra room there was. Other than that, this was a pretty standard unboxing experience. The packaging, as you expect with Apple, is slick. It's compact. There's not any extra stuff thrown in here. It's really easy to open. Even, there's not a lot of waste that comes in the packaging, which is nice. It's all packed in really neatly and efficiently. That's something I've always liked about the Apple unboxing experience. But that's really all I have for this video, guys. A quick and simple unboxing. I may do a review in the future. We'll see. I'm sure there's so many people who have already reviewed the iPhone 14 Pro, so it's not like you need another one, but I might talk about it from the perspective of me using it for YouTube, for photography, all that sort of thing. So if that interests you, yeah, maybe check back later for a review. But I'm going to leave this video here, guys. If you liked it, please click the like button down below. It is a great way for you to show your support. Let me know that you guys like this kind of content. Subscribe for more content. I have some tech stuff. I have a tech playlist. Over the years, I tend to do tech videos whenever I get new tech-related stuff, but it's not a tech channel. I do lots of toys and games and stuff as well. So, I mean, if you're interested in sticking around for the tech stuff, do check that out, and maybe you'll like some of the other content I do as well. So, yeah, please do go check it out, and if what you see interests you, subscribe for more videos. I'm going to leave that there, so just thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.